Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here, and as you can see today I am starting off with my hair all free. It's actually freshly washed. I am traveling right now and I usually just carry my cream for my hair and my oils, but then for shampoo and conditioner I usually just try to buy it at whatever country I am or whatever city I'm in, mostly because I don't want to add any kilos on my luggage and also because I really like to try new products in new areas. That's why when a lot of you guys ask me like what product I use, the best answer I can always give is use whatever is accessible in your area. When you try to use what I'm using, if you don't live in the same country, that means you're having to import hair products. And I tell you, ladies, the more complicated you make it, the less likely you're going to do it. So the simpler you can make it by using products that are locally available to you, the easier your natural hair journey is going to be, and it's also going to be more affordable. Whatever currency you use in your country, I know a lot of you ladies watch me from different countries. It might be a lot of money and I might be buying it for 5 to 10 Canadian dollars, but when you convert it to your currency, it becomes so much money, and then you start thinking that natural hair is expensive or hard to take care of just because you're trying to use the same products that I'm using. So I am in Kenya when I'm filming this video, and I did go to Best Lady Cosmetics. It's on Moi Avenue, and I noticed that they have another location at Afya Center in town. So if you're looking for hair products, you should definitely go check them out. I used, I think, a South African conditioner and a Kenyan made shampoo or vice versa. And my hair felt so good. And as you can see right now, as you can see, I only added African Pride's styling cream, and I used a mixture that I made of oil before I came. I basically just mixed almond oil, olive oil, I put castor oil, and I think a little bit of avocado oil. So that's what I did to seal in the moisture in my hair. And as you can see, I'm just trying to pull it into a bun. The reason I'm doing this is because we have a lot of new subscribers. So if you can put your hair in a bun already, then go girl. I'm so happy that you can do that now. I will just have a few quite new subscribers who keep asking, oh, how do I pull my hair into a bun? As you can see, my hair is long enough to go into a bun without me detangling my hair. But if your hair is shorter, then I would definitely recommend that you detangle your hair first. And if you're a natural girl, you should definitely learn how to put your hair into a bun. I'm telling you, it's going to save your life. Whether natural or not, I think putting your hair in a bun is one of those like big steps that we are always usually waiting for in our hair journey, natural or like if you have relaxed hair. I feel like when you pull your hair into a bun, it's like, oh my God, like you've reached like it's not like you've reached some kind of milestone. If your hair is much shorter than mine, watch some of my older videos, like some of my fast videos when I started YouTube, because I started basically when I started growing my hair. So you can watch that and see how I was getting my hair into a bun. But it's basically the same step. If you want a low bun, then start gathering your hair from the part where you want to hold your bun. If you want a higher bun or a bun on top of your head, then do that. Start gathering your hair at that point where you want the bun to sit. And then when you've put everything or have tried to lay everything down, then I'm just going to go in with this Shine and Jam gel. I don't like using regular gels just because they make my hair flaky and they leave like a lot of product buildup in your hair. And I find that the Shine and Jam gel doesn't do that, and it lays my hair really flat. If you have shorter hair, you probably have to add it in sections as you're gathering your hair. But if your hair is as long as mine and it can just easily go into a bun, then you don't really need that much product into your hair. Now, why should you learn how to do a bun? First of all, they look neat and classy, and I feel like you can literally wear a bun anywhere you're going. Anywhere you can wear a bun, so you should definitely learn how to do it, ladies. And you know, on those days when you're in a rush and you have detangled your hair and you don't want to detangle it again, ladies, believe me, a bun will save your life. I don't like detangling my hair and then just leaving it open like that unless I was prepared mentally to do that. But if I was not, and I'm in a rush to go somewhere and I don't have time to style my hair, then I usually just put it into a bun and it doesn't get tangled up again after I've detangled it. So you should learn how to do a bun. Basically, that's all I'm saying. And I know a lot of you, and I know some of you do like long hair wash days. I should really just show you guys how I wash and condition my hair and show you how untime consuming it is, just so that some people don't get scared. Because I know I get a lot of comments, people saying, oh, natural hair is so hard to take care of, I cannot spend the whole day washing my hair and all that stuff. So maybe I'll start doing like videos where I show you like my hair wash day and what I'm doing. It's basically not a lot, it's very, very minimal. It works for me. It doesn't work for other people, but it works for me. And I think a lot of you guys just watch me just to see what I'm doing, not what other people do. So if I share, please be gentle. That's just what works for me, and hopefully it might work for someone else. I mean, some people like the whole day wash. Some people like the whole day. Some people like spending the whole day washing their hair and all that stuff. I don't know if they like it or they just do it just because they think that's what's going to work. But honestly, my hair routine has been so short, so I'll definitely share that when I get back home. I think it will be much easier to film than where I am at the moment. But as you can see, I'm just putting on a scarf and I'm just going to leave it on for me to do my makeup, as you can see, and we are ready to go. Look at that. So you can definitely go with your bun like that. Oh my god, my bun is so much bigger. I didn't even realize that before. But I'm going to add a little bit of extension at the back to make my bun look slightly bigger. I feel like because my head is a little bit smaller, I usually like to add a little bit of hair to balance it out a little bit, because as you know, I'm a little chunky or healthy. So when I do a bun, my head looks a little bit too small for my body size. So I like to add a little bit of hair to balance everything out. And as you can see, my makeup is very simple as usual. I actually did upload a video of me doing this makeup look. It's not a look, it's really just foundation and lipstick. So if you want to watch that, I'm going to leave it linked down below. By the way, for the new subscribers, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. I hope you're having fun trying the new hairstyles. If you cannot put your hair in a bun yet, I hope this video helps. If it doesn't and your hair is much shorter than mine, please watch some of the first videos that I uploaded. You will see how I was putting my hair into a bun even at that stage. Not just a bun, literally doing all kinds of hairstyles. Never let anything limit you, and always try just a little bit to make yourself feel good. Today, maybe put on earrings, put on lipstick, maybe do your eyebrows. I know that's a big one for a lot of people. But do something small that makes you feel good. Today, whether it's just making a cup of tea and having 15 minutes to yourself, if it means locking the kids in the house and just sitting on the balcony and enjoying that cup of tea, then don't forget to do that. Take care of yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you ladies on the channel next time. Have a lovely week. Bye.